Hey guys, it's Madison, and this is my puppy.
Okay.
This is my puppy,
This is my
Fergie.
puppy, Dobo. Do you like my puppy, Dobo?
Okay, I had another one, and her name was Bella, but she's not mine. She's my sister's,
Yeah.
and she's very sleepy. I just woke her up.
Well, I got another puppy named Dobo.
And she's very sleepy. Say hi to the world, Fergie. Oh, that's a swallow. She's very frumpy right now. She has a blue collar, but we forgot it at home. And I'm at the home shop.
Well, that's good.
I just want to know if you think she's cute. Look at her. She's called Fergie because she's a little black-eyed pea. She has black eyes, black nose, and black paws. See? Bella. She's sleeping right now. Yep, here she is asleep. So, just comment. Say bye to the world, Fergie.